4-1 weather with Damian Lotus.
We just got finished with our first round of winter weather, and I'm tracking 2 more rounds as we head into next week. But before we look forward, let's look back at the snowfall totals across the state. Woodward and Tangier had 3 inches of total snowfall. Here for Oklahoma City, only a trace. But whenever you get really strong winds like we had yesterday and last night, it's kind of hard to get some of those accumulating snowfall totals. So that's why we only had a trace at Will Rogers. Temperature-wise right now, we're already starting to see temperatures dipping into the 20s, 27 right now in El Reno. It's 33 here for Oklahoma City. We have some strong winds across northeastern Oklahoma, so that's dropping wind chills into the teens. It feels like 25 here for Oklahoma City, so chilly and cold weather as we head into tonight. Overnight lows will be a mix of teens and 20s across the state. Looks like we'll dip down to 24 tonight for Stillwater, 27 my forecast low tonight for Oklahoma City. But when you factor in the winds, we will see wind chills tonight in the teens. So very cold weather as you're heading out the door for your early Wednesday morning. But for tomorrow afternoon, decent weather, sunny skies. We'll see strong south winds. This time of year, if you want to have a temperature rebound, you have to have strong south winds bringing up warmer conditions. That's exactly what's going to happen tomorrow. Looks like we get up to 50 tomorrow for Oklahoma City. And I do want to point out, enjoy this weather tomorrow, because as we head into next week, I am tracking what could be the coldest air we have seen in 3 years here for the state of Oklahoma. But before we get there, let's go and break down the next timeline of our next snowstorm. This is going to be late Thursday. So up until about sunset on Thursday, we are clear. But across northwestern Oklahoma, I'll be tracking our second batch of snowfall developing. That snowfall will work its way across the state late Thursday, early Friday morning. The highest chance of snowfall here for central Oklahoma will be right around sunrise on Friday morning. And we could see some heavy snowfall totals here across the state. And it looks like it'll clear by Friday afternoon. So it's not going to last very long, this second batch, but it's going to pack a pretty good punch. Here's the latest projection on snowfall totals. One band will line up across northwestern Oklahoma, but most of the heavy snowfall will be for central, eastern, and northeastern parts of the state, including the Oklahoma City metro. We could see about 1/4 inch of snowfall. I know that doesn't sound like much, but we had even less than that this morning, and we saw all those traffic tie-ups. So because of the snowfall chance on Friday, we will see slick spots on roads. We'll see slick spots, especially on elevated surfaces like roads and bridges. Wind chills will be in the single digits, so I'm going to bump up that risk as well. Not really tracking much of an ice chance, which is good, so power outages won't really be a factor, but we could see some school and business closures possible on Friday and Friday morning here as we head into the weekend. But as we head into the weekend, the next good chance and the highest chance of snowfall, accumulating snowfall, will be on Sunday and Monday. We'll see widespread totals, 2, 3, even 4-inch plus totals here for central, eastern, and northeastern parts of the state as we head into the weekend. And because of that, the elevated chance of snow, look at this. We're going to see widespread traffic tie-ups from both roads, bridges. Wind chills will be below 0 for some parts of the state, so I'm going with extreme on the wind chill threat. Not much of a power outage threat, which is good, but I will be expecting to see widespread school, church, and business closures for both Sunday and Monday, including here in the Oklahoma City metro. And then after that, get ready for the coldest weather we have seen in about 3 years here for the state of Oklahoma. Here's a look at Sunday morning. It'll feel like -7 here for Oklahoma City. We will see wind chills below 0 Sunday morning. Monday morning, we could see wind chills as cold as -20 here for some parts of the state. But the coldest morning will be on Tuesday. Tuesday morning, we could see wind chills as cold as -30 here for some parts of Oklahoma. This is dangerously cold here as we head into Sunday, Monday, Tuesday morning. But in the meantime, your 7-day forecast, lows tonight in the 20s. It'll feel like the teens before tomorrow. And for Thursday, we'll see sunny skies with highs in the 50s. Enjoy that, because that's going to seem like a tropical vacation compared to what's moving in as we head into the weekend. Snowfall early on Friday, and then after that, more snowfall Sunday into Monday. And also for Sunday into Monday, I could be tracking highs in the single digits with lows, Jolene, possibly below 0. So the coldest weather we've seen in about 3 years here for the state of Oklahoma.
All right. Thank you, Damian. The Chalk